Friends, in my last program, I have explained what is diabetes. Today, I will be discussing what is type 2 diabetes. Type 2 diabetes will be occurring among adults. Invariably, it will occur among adults. What is the cause for diabetes? Insulin is produced by the pancreas. Pancreas is a gland that will be present just below the stomach. So, and it is a gland where directly it will produce the insulin directly to the blood. It is a ductless gland. There is no duct. So these are all this pancreas produces insulin. The insulin may be deficient, totally deficient, and it has to be given, it has to be administered. It is type 1. Whereas in type 2, it will be defective. So it will not be functioning properly. So insulin is deficient or defective. Deficient in type 1, defective in type 2. So that is type 2 diabetes where the insulin is defective. The insulin is not functioning properly, and whatever the food that we consume, it will be converted into glucose. We take the food, whatever the food, you take rice or chapati or jowar roti or ragi ball, it will be converted into glucose, and the glucose will be absorbed into the blood. So in the blood, the glucose will be present, and only in the form of glucose we will be utilizing glucose for different energy purposes. I am showing my hand like this. For all these things, energy is required, and that energy will be provided by the glucose. Whereas in type 2, the insulin receptors it will not act properly, and the glucose will not be in a position to enter the cells from the blood. It should enter the cells and it should be utilized for energy. Whereas insulin is defective in type 2, as a result of that, in the blood glucose which will be present in the blood will not be in a position to enter and function. As a result of that, glucose will be present in excess in case of type 2. Whereas in type 1, insulin is not at all produced in sufficient quantity, and the patient will develop type 1 diabetes, and usually the type 1 diabetes will occur among the younger age group. The child, if you don't give insulin, if you don't administer insulin, the glucose will be very high and the patient may not survive. So for the survival of the patient, that is in type 1, insulin will be those patients are insulin dependent. So insulin dependent, previously we used to say insulin dependent diabetes and non-insulin dependent diabetes. IDM, insulin dependent diabetes. Non-insulin dependent diabetes, NIDDM. So that's how we used to name the diabetes. But now we say type 1, which is insulin deficient, and the type 2 is insulin defective. So in type 2, we can control the blood sugar, blood glucose we can control by different means. Diet alone. So by proper dietary advice by the doctor, by the health workers, the patient will be in a position to control blood glucose to a certain extent. So if it is not possible to control diabetes by diet alone, diet, exercise. By what is that exercise? Not necessarily you go and play football, you go and play badminton, you play tennis, you go for running, jogging, then the people will laugh. Everybody cannot play football, everybody cannot go for jogging, everybody cannot play badminton or cricket like that. According to World Health Organization, the best exercise is walking. Just you go for walking. Usually I used to advise go to the park nearby, and there is the Bangalore Mahanagara Palike has provided you a sufficient space so that you go for walking. We see the gents and ladies, they will be going for walking in the park that is provided in Bangalore by corporation. So that itself will help for the muscles to act, and for the glucose is necessary. As a result of brisk walking is not possible. At least you go for walking. A pregnant mother cannot go for brisk walking. Pregnant mother, the children, the aged population, they cannot go for walking. At least now in the COVID season, as a result of this corona problem, usually we advise you do walking, you go, just you move, don't sit idle, you move within the house, because outside they are at risk of getting the corona infection. So at least be active, ಚೆನ್ನಾಗಿ ಚಟುವಟಿಕೆಯಿಂದ ಕೆಲಸ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇರಿ ಮನೆಯಲ್ಲಿ. ದಿ ಹೌಸ್ ವೈಫ್ ಆಲ್ಸೋ let her be mobile, let her walk, let her move, let her be active. As a result of that, for that energy is necessary, and that energy is provided by glucose. So the blood glucose will enter the cells and it will be utilized for energy purposes normally. Whereas in type 2 diabetes, the blood glucose will not be in a position to enter the cells, and it will not be utilized by the cells. So as a result of that, the glucose will be accumulated in the blood and the blood glucose will increase. When the blood glucose increase, that itself acts like a poison, and the person may not be having any symptoms. He says, I am eating so much but I am losing weight, and then I sustained some injury and I applied some ointment but it has not healed. Like that they go to the doctor, and if the doctor says, let me check your blood glucose, then they say, no, not necessary, I am not suffering from diabetes, just you prescribe some good ointment, I will apply so that that wound will heal. No, blood glucose is necessary. As I have informed in the previous program, urine examination. See, few decades back, we used to examine the urine for blood, for the sugar. But now it is not a specific test for detecting diabetes. Now the facilities are available. The glucometers nowadays it is available, very cheap, and even nowadays not only the doctors, even the patients also, they have purchased and they are testing themselves what is the blood glucose, and they will go to the doctor. Today fasting blood glucose is 140, fasting blood sugar is say 200, like that they go to the doctor and the doctor will give necessary advice. So this is the difference between, whereas in type 1, totally insulin is not at all produced by the pancreas. Sometimes the pancreas is almost a remnant and it is not functioning. So for them to survive, insulin must be administered. Otherwise, if we don't administer insulin, they may not survive even for 1 week. Thank you, and let me continue in the next program. Thank you. Please disseminate this information. Please subscribe, and you give your suggestions so that we will try to improve. Thank you very much.